Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And special thanks sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. That really helps our channel a lot. Thank you. So, let's begin, Scorpio. Anong ganap sa inyo? December 30 to January 5 for Scorpio. Okay, going the distance. Wow. So, you're going to exert more effort para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Kumbaga, lalagpasan mo pa yung goal mo. I think you are becoming more competitive sa sarili mo. Hindi sa iba. Mas competitive ka sa sarili mo na kung ano yung na-achieve mo, gusto mo malagpasan mo pa yon. And that's really good kasi syempre 'di ba, minsan kapag masyado tayong competitive sa ibang tao, medyo hindi nagiging healthy yung competition. But if you become competitive sa sarili mo, then you will do better kasi ikaw rin yun eh. Ikaw rin yung competition mo. You also breathe into the sea. I also see yun na meron ding mga times na wala kang gagawin. Yung tipong, yan yung way mo para mag-relax, mag-release ng unwanted energies or para lang kalmahin yung sarili mo. Maaring meron ka mga gagawing meditation exercises that will make you feel better, make you feel relaxed or at peace. And wala ka na rin ipipilit. Okay? You will do your effort, you will exert effort, pero kung sa tingin mo hindi na yun nagwo-work for you, hindi mo na siya ipipilit. You will go with the flow. Titingnan mo kung saan ka ring direction tatahakin. Magiging sensitive ka rin sa mga signs sa paligid mo na halimbawa, pinipilit mo yung sarili mo na doon sa isang situation na yun, pero ang pinapakita sa yung sign is to let go. Then you will not resist it. You will let it go. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the 5 of Wands. Ayan na nga yung competition. You have the King of Wands, Page of Swords, the Devil, and the 10 of Swords. Oh. Any unhealthy habits you are letting go. Ano man to? Sugal, alak. Anything na sa tingin mo is just keeping you in a cycle of problems, no? Oo. So, maari ring merong person na magbibigay sa'yo ng advice at yun yung magpapa-enlighten sa'yo na mas mag-focus sa mga mas kapaki-pakinabang na bagay. Be careful din kasi I also see someone here na very competitive naman siya sa'yo. So, hindi lang ikaw yung competitive sa sarili mo. May iba pang taong competitive sa'yo that might backstab you, no? Yung tipong magkaroon ng trust issues dito dahil gusto kanyang maangatan. Someone here maaring gusto kanya na mag-fail ka, no? So, be careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. If there is someone na offering you na masasabi mong too good to be true, then maybe it's too good to be true. Iwasan mo na, okay? You will also protect your resources, your abundance, your money. Kung sino man to na will try to bring you down, hindi naman siya magtatagumpay. Okay? Kasi malalaman mo agad at mapoproteksyonan mo agad yung sarili mo. That's why it is very important na may panahon na kinakalmay mo yung sarili mo, na kiniklear mo yung mind mo para mabilis kang makapick up ng mga signs at maging sensitive ka sa paligid mo. 'Di ba? Kaya nga may mga yung tinatawag na salisigang. Kasi yung salisigang, ang ginagawa nila 'di ba is nililibang nila yung biktima nila. Hindi ni-distract nila. Sumasalisi. Saka sila gagawa ng panloloko nila. Para distracted yung tao, no? Hindi na makakapag-isip masyado. So, you need to declutter your mind, clear your mind para mas sensitive ka sa anything na sa paligid mo. Okay? Any threat. You also have person of air, celebration. So, maaring merong air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius sa family na may celebration. Or merong achievement na success or achievement na na-achieve. Merong goals na na-achieve, ano man to na isi-celebrate ninyo. Meron din ditong exploration. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong mabibiling sasakyan or ma-approve na yung loan nyo sa sasakyan. I also see you nagsa-survey ka ng lupa, no, ng property. Balak mong bumili. Pero, be careful, okay? Sa mga balak bumili ng lupa dyan, pay attention to details, i-inspect mo, i-research mo. Kasi baka may disappointment dito. Lalo na yung mga bibili ng lupa, yung mga pasalo, yan, yung mga clean title daw. So, bago ka mag-release ng pera, bago ka makipag-transaction, i-check mo muna yung kung legit ba, yung legitimacy nung papers, nung taong kausap mo para iwas trouble. Some of you naman pwede magkaroon dito ng misunderstanding with someone who is close to you. Can be a friend, no? Kasi nga, sabi na sa'yo, may marireveal dito na may hindi magandang intentions towards you eh. So, you may need some adjustments with your spending. Yes, be careful with your spending. And something better awaits. Wow. So, pagdating sa career, trabaho, or business, may mas maganda na parating sa'yo. So, kumbaga sabayan mo yun ng pag-iingat din sa pag-handle ng kaperahan mo. Sa relationship, meron ditong chemistry and romance. Oh, so yung iba sa inyo, if you're in a relationship, I think mas lalong lumalalim yung connection mo with this person. Lalo na at mas kinikilala nyo yung isa't isa, mas nagbabond kayo together. Kasi yun naman talaga yung paraan para mas makilala nyo yung isa't isa to be together, 'di ba? If you're single, pwedeng meron kang makilala na mabilis mong makapalagayan ng loob kasi marami kayong pagkakapareho. So, maaring mauwi to sa romantic connection. You also have peace. Just because some people are fueled by drama doesn't mean you have to attend the performance. Make your life a drama-free zone. Diba? Ano ba yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina? So, may mga pagkakataon na mas pipiliin yung peaceful, no? Oo. Lalo na kung medyo busy kayo, importante na umiwas sa mga drama sa buhay, minsan kasi yung mga tao sa paligid natin, sila yung nagka-create ng drama. So, pag napansin mo na dramatic siya, iwasan mo na. Oo, kasi it will just complicate the situation and make your life a drama-free zone. Yan. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Good luck and see you again.